Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essential supplies and prepping your artwork so printing works first try. Open your design at 300 dpi, set a 2-3 mm bleed, and export as PNG or PDF. This prevents white edges. Once done, arrange multiple stickers on a single 8, 5x11 or A4 page to save material and match color. Make sure to test one small print on regular paper to check sizes and alignment. You now move into printing and protecting the stickers so they last. Set your printer to best quality and choose the paper type that matches sticker stock. Let ink dry 10-15 minutes to avoid smudging. Once dry, align and apply clear laminate from one edge to the other, smoothing with a squeegee to remove bubbles. This improves durability. After lamination, cut carefully. Scissors for rounded shapes and a craft knife with a ruler for straight cuts, ensuring consistent margins. You finish by testing adhesion and preparing stickers for use or sale. Peel a test sticker to make sure the adhesive holds, press it down firmly and allow 24 hours to reach maximum stick. Once satisfied, store flat in a cool, dry spot and separate sheets with parchment to prevent sticking. If an edge lifts, reseal with clear adhesive tape or reapply a small laminate strip. If colors are off, tweak color profile and reprint. These quick fixes save batches from being wasted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.